Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be doing a review on this Japanese contact lenses here. So I have a whole selection. It looks like it's a lot, but actually it's only 5 pairs. It's because I have to buy 2 different boxes because I have 2 different eye power for each eye. But anyway, I got all this from pinkicon. So REVIA is a Japanese brand, and I saw this so many times when I was in Japan, and so I decided to give this a try because it's been a while since I last used any Japanese contact lenses. I've been just sticking with Korean contact lenses. If you guys have followed me on my channel, you would know that with Japanese contact lenses, the difference between this and the usual Korean contact lenses that I go for, like Olens and Hapa Christian, is that the diameter for majority of Japanese contact lenses is usually pretty huge compared to the ones that I usually use, and that's why I also tend to just stick to one-day contact lenses because I don't really want them to dry out on my eyes at all. I like REVIA because I've tried them before, and it was when I was like really obsessed with Japanese makeup and stuff. It was one of the first brands that I've used for contact lenses, so I've always really trusted them because honestly, if you guys haven't been to Japan, or if you guys have been to Japan, they have like so many selections for Japanese contact lenses. It's crazy. And yeah, so when I got this is because of models that I follow for like magazines and stuff, and they recommend this brand. Anywho, again, like I said, I bought this from pinkicon, and I think when I got it, they provided like free shipping or add-on. So I think if you spend over USD $75, you just add DHL shipping for another $10. And I think if you spend over maybe 150, let me check. Yeah, if you spend over USD 150, you get free DHL Express. At the moment, I think with the whole lockdown thing, you can only get things with DHL shipping at the moment, so that's your only option, to be honest. And one box actually costs $17, so yeah. But you can buy 3 get 1 free, or buy 4 get 2 free. Let me double check. Yeah, buy 3 get 1 free, or buy 4 get 2 free. And again, REVIA, I'll put all the links down below because REVIA has a huge selection. It was hard to pick, but there was a huge selection. So here are the 5 that I have picked for you guys. So let's go through them one by one, shall we? The first one, this one is called MIRAGE, and the packaging just looks very sleek and very minimal. One box contains 10 pairs, which I forgot to mention. And yeah, so this one, MIRAGE, the diameter for this one is 14.1, so again leaning towards the really large side. And I really like this one because I call this like a hazel brown color. So it has like a very obvious golden brown rim, and then on the inside is a mixture of like a light brown and a green color. But again, the diameter is actually quite big, but because it's brown, it doesn't look too bad on the eyes. Next is called Nostalgia, and this one, at first when I saw it, I thought that it would look really pixelated and stripy on my eyes because of the pattern, because it has like this very wispy lines, like a lot of wispy lines on the outer part of the rim. But actually putting on my eyes, compared to all the other contact lenses I have, this would definitely be more of like my true eye color when I put it on. So it just gives me a really large enlarging effect because of the diameter. The diameter, again, this one is 14.1, but when you actually look at it, it actually have, like I said, a lot of that stripiness, and it leans towards the dark brown and black side. So when actually putting on my eyes, again, it just makes my pupil look big. But other than that, it's just like quite a nice dark brown color contact, but it's not like obvious in your face. It's more leaning towards the natural side. If you want just normal natural brown shade and enlarging contact lens, this would definitely be for you. Third one is called Miss Iris, and I would have to say that this would be probably my favorite one from my haul here, just because again, I like when I wear color contact lenses, I like to look possibly a little unnatural when it comes to colors. I wouldn't really go for a lot of brown. I would go for a lot of gray, green, blue. I mean, even with brown, I don't want like too natural in my eyes. I want it a little bit obvious, like more golden or more beigey or like hazel, you know, like I wouldn't go for like dark brown. That's just me, unless like it has like really cool pattern. Anywho, with this one, I feel like this one had like a mixture of like a grey and also a mixture of green for me, which I absolutely love. When I first saw this, I thought that the rim might be a little bit too dark for me, because the rim, when you look at it, it looks like a very dark thin black, but also inside has like a grey black. So I was worried that it will make that look really obvious when I put it on my eyes. But once it actually went to my eyes, it turned into a grey color, and then it also has that green color effect as well, which I just love that combo, because it's not often I see a grey and a green in that contact lens. And again, it is definitely very pretty, and the diameter is the same, which is 14.1. So I would definitely recommend this one out of all the 5 if you guys are interested in trying a different color contact lens. This would definitely be it. This one is probably my least favorite. This is the REVIA Black. I think this is called Black, and I don't know why I picked this, but basically with this one, again, it is just black, and I felt like this makes me look like that I was high, okay, like because of the rim, because of how black it was, and I got put off by it, that I just couldn't be bothered putting on more makeup when actually trying this on. So you guys can see from the close-up, I didn't even put mascara, I didn't even put fake eyelashes, I just put eyeliner. I was like, nah, I'm just not into this one. Yeah, for me personally, I just don't want my pupil to look so big and then look unnatural. This was definitely not my go-to, but yeah, so I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but I definitely don't recommend this unless you want to try like a really black contact lens. Maybe give this a try, but for me personally, it's not really something that I would go for. The last one, I love this print. Look at this, it looks like leopard print, and look how reflected this is. But this one is called I think it's called Private 02. Yeah, Private 02, because it's the private collection, and this one is what I'm currently wearing right now. And I would have to say, if you're looking for something natural, like a very nice natural brown that gives you like a dolly effect, I would definitely recommend this one, because it has a really thin line of that dark brown rim on the outside to show that enlarging effect, and then on the inside it's like a beautiful light brown shade, but also looks very milky at the same time. So combining those two pattern together, it actually makes my eyes look very dolly, and I really like it. Like, it gives me like a puppy eye effect as well. So, you know, if I would have to pick one brown in this haul, I would definitely recommend this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this contact lens review, and I hope you find it informative. Let me know what you guys think down below, whether you've tried this brand or even like any contact lens you tried from pinkicon before. Definitely let me know down below. I do have another video for you guys of like, I think, yeah, just like other random contact lens I got from pinkicon as well, that is not from the brand REVIA. If you guys are interested in me doing a review of that as well, let me know down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.